Hi, this video is about how to make frosted glass effect. I have a sample carcass here and I'm gonna add the swing door first. Press P to enter board selection, then select up, down, left, right panel, then right click door panel, swing door generation. And I'm gonna divide into two doors vertically. Okay. Next, right click wall and select all door panel, door style. Select frame series, European frame door, and select this glass door. This is a clear glass door, and I'm going to show you how to turn this into a frosted glass door. First, you need to enter Business Center, Product, My, Texture, click Publish, fill up all necessary info, let's say frosted glass, your brand, modern style, okay, and select frosted printed glass in material properties. Upload a green texture and be sure to select a classification here and submit. Back in the software, enter board selection again. Click on the glass and select the frosted glass texture here in My. Okay, do the same on the other door. Okay, now let's render and check the effect. Okay, so this is the final output. You may also create a frosted glass of other color. You can just upload a color image of your choice and select frosted printed glass in material properties. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.